These are the ingredients you will be needing. You will need some chicken broth. You will need 1 can whole corn, 1 can of great northern beans, 1 can black beans, 2 cans of green chili, some cumin, some cayenne pepper, which is optional for heat, some chili powder, some oregano, half and half, and some cream cheese, your thighs, of course. You can sub with breast if you like. Some Southwest chicken seasoning. This is optional. Subs are in the description. I'm using 1.5 pounds chicken thighs. I'm keeping the fat on there because they have more flavor. Thighs carry more flavor. Like I said though, you have the option to use chicken breast if you like. Everything will be down in the description, guys. Let's get started adding our ingredients. 2 cups chicken broth, 2 4-ounce cans of green chilies, 1 can of great northern beans drained, 1 can of whole corn drained, 1 can of black beans drained, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, a half a teaspoon of cayenne, which is optional. And get that all mixed up because we're going to set this and forget it for the next 7.5 hours. Mix in your Southwest chicken seasoning, and this is optional too. The subs are listed down there in the description. Cover, let cook on high for 3 to 4 hours, or you can cook on low for the next 6 to 8 hours. I'm going for the low for the 6 to 8 hour option. All right, now 8 hours later, we almost done here, folks. And now what we're going to do here is pull all of our chicken thighs out of here, and we're going to shred them up. Or you can dice them if you like, but I prefer shredded. Now you don't have to do like I'm doing. I'm going to use a plate to make sure I get every piece of thigh shredded nice and tiny. And here's a little tip. 2 forks make shredding this chicken so easy. We're going to place the shredded chicken back into our slow cooker. Almost done here. Now we're going to add 1 package of cream cheese. Get that all mixed in. And now for the final step, we're going to add 1/4 cup of half and half. Get that all mixed in, and folks, we're gonna let this go for another 15 minutes and we are through. Bon appetit, dinner is served. This is what you're looking for, folks, in a chicken chili. I hope you enjoy. Bon appetit. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Thanks for stopping by my channel. Hit that like button, leave me a comment. I drop videos once a week, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you know what to do.